Hi everyone, ready to dive into the Java right? Okay, so we are starting the Java. First, we are seeing how Java comes from the line. Okay, first in 1991, Java comes from the television industry. Because that time, television industry is peak level, so everyone developed something in the television industry. So Java team like is called the Green Team. The Green Team was developed by the some the buses like embedded software system that I'm using Java. That's not name is wrong. The name is called the Green Team. The Green Team has been named by the Green Team. The associate Green Team. James Coughlin is the father of Java and Patrick Naughton and Mike Sherman. And the James Coughlin is the three members inside in the Java language. 1991. A small team and Sun engineers because the time Sun company has been owned by the Java. Now it's an Arabic team. The team called in Green Team 1991. Initially, it was designed for the small system in applications like set-top boxes. I already told about this. Firstly, when we call it Green Top, the extension name was .gp. After that, it was called developer part of Green. The technology is developed by the okay, but next move, we move because hope is the meaning of the tree is strength. Also, the tree is uh, ancient we have some countries like USA, France, Germany, Roman. Okay? And Ook was renamed as Java. Why the name is changed? Because the Ook was changed by the Java because Ook was already trademarked in other platforms. And why the name comes from Java? Okay, Master, you'll tell about Ook. But why it comes from Java? Because the team whether to choose new suggestion that like dynamic version, Joel DNA. They wanted something that reflected in the ancient technology evolution. You can just everyone understand the language is only meaning. If this language was launched, actually successfully run in multiple years. The belief is still now we can see the language. Still now the language has been developed again and again and just multinational coming to the higher pressure. They will use the language. Okay, I already told about this. It's an old, but still now it's older. Yes, the time everyone know developers also love coffee and tea. Okay, mostly developers coffee lovers. Yes, okay. Because everyone something is new, but again we eat drink coffee. But one time the James Coffee thing, the coffee name, because the Indonesia nearby Iceland name is Java, the coffee name is Java coffee. Everyone loves the, if you search the Java coffee in Google, you can see the coffee. Okay? Everyone loves the coffee that time, so everyone definitely understand and definitely. So the name Java is super. Yes, everyone attack the name Java. Okay, they are making the name Java, so they are making the name in Java. Java is not a name, it's a name. Initially developed or San Diego system, but now in starting first version is in 95. And why Gilan Java? Why? Because standard is a standard application of web development, mobile app development, Java embedded system applications. It's a partner of different technology team. Now the Java was developed by name standalone application Eclipse. Yeah, because national Eclipse is part of our mostly we are different because mostly are using Java like in market. So if you learn the Java, it's really helpful during future to get the job. And question who developed the Java and that is I already didn't go to. And in which year was first version of Java released? 1995. Original Java, oh, right. The last one question. Everyone look at this Java support of concept. Yeah, absolutely everyone knows the object of that's the Java backbone with this. Reviews. You can answer this. Hello, because Java is not purely object-oriented programming because it's mostly primarily like consider it's not strictly why the theoretically the answer is it supports primitive data types. The primitive data types are simple, not considered as object. So, um, okay, but what is problem that I say in the problem is not it's not like the background things come from what is programming they cannot understand. I say the language is used to do with one another communication. The one person communicates to another person needs some language, okay? Like at English, French, arts, German, something. In one language need to understand with two persons. Okay? What is program? Program is set of protocols. If we know the English, but in English there's set of protocols like grammar, grammatically, gerund form, continuous form. Everyone need to understand because if know the learning but protocols is not correctly, it's not understood after okay. That's protocol use a communicate between one to another, like human to machine. That is programming language. Okay? We learn Java now. Yes. Till now, top MNC and how use and behind Java developers. And yes, Java developer knew that is more and more. We should change one programming language to another programming language. Yes. If you start with career Java, you can change it from script, Python, anything. You can just use Python. Also, salary, yes, you can pick high level salary, low to high, minimum 20 to maximum 8 LP and 16 category LP in pressure is high performance. Yes, similar to other languages, speed is high level, so it's a high level for language. South to learn more easily because we have to find what you fall in love with them. Yes, just you can try to fall in love with someone. It's not automatically not you. Thank you.